Welcome. In this video, we address key tax questions from a military family preparing to invest in multiple real estate properties while managing brokerage income and federal employment. Topics include depreciation, 1031 exchanges, state taxes, and working with a year-round CPA. Question 1. Should I use an LLC for real estate investing? It's optional. Properties can be owned personally or under an LLC. Either way, income and expenses are reported on your personal tax return unless your LLC elects a different treatment. Question 2. What's the best depreciation method for a residential property? Standard depreciation is over 27.5 years. However, accelerated depreciation, 15 or 10 years, can reduce taxable income faster, but you must recapture it when selling. Question 3. Can I avoid paying taxes when selling an investment property? So, yes, a 1031 exchange allows you to defer both capital gains and depreciation recapture taxes, as long as the new property is equal or greater in value and purchased within 180 days. Question 4. Do I owe state taxes on out-of-state investment properties? Not if you don't live there. If you reside in Maryland and your property is in Pennsylvania, you generally only report the income on your federal return. Question 5. Are there tax rules specific to military families? Yes, some military benefits and credits can reduce your federal tax burden. Always check for updates or share IRS military guidance links with your CPA for tailored advice. Question 6. Are brokerage account management fees tax deductible? No, not anymore. Only realized gains or losses can be reported. Losses are limited to $3,000 per year, and any excess carries forward. Question 7. How do CPA services work year-round? With a monthly plan, you can contact your CPA anytime by email, phone, or text. It's designed for ongoing support, not just during tax season. Military families can benefit from smart real estate strategies like accelerated depreciation and 1031 exchanges. When combined with professional tax guidance, this approach builds a strong financial foundation while staying compliant.